in our OpenHPI course, Confidential Communication in the Internet, now we consider some crypto patents and standards. In daily practice, cryptography plays a very, very important role. So new cryptographic knowledge, it is a very interesting research topic. New cryptographic knowledge and procedures are published in scientific publications, in journals and in conferences, or they are applied for patents. The cryptographic process to apply such cryptographic methods, this of course must be interoperable in the context of the various applications. In the Internet, the applications come from different people. There are many services which you want to interact with. So this cryptographic means and tools need to be as much as possible interoperable. And to achieve this, various specifications and fixations need to be done. These are called standards, and of course the software companies need to agree on these standards. The standards then also be adhered to the various software providers, and the standard becomes a standard and becomes successful if many software providers apply this standard and design tools that can deal with this fixation of a cryptographic process. So the use of cryptographic methods and implementations in crypto products, especially in hardware and software, should be carried out in compliance with the relevant standards whenever possible. So here are some very important crypto patents. So many crypto systems and crypto algorithms are patented. So here the 5 most particular important crypto patents. This is first the DES, the block cipher. We discussed this in the first week of our course for symmetric encryption, which is today no more considered secure enough. Then the first public key patent was the Diffie-Hellman key exchange, which solved the problem for securely exchanging secret keys over an unsecured media. So this was also can be considered as the beginning of the asymmetric encryption methods development. Then the Merkle-Hellman, knapsack, and PKA patent became very important, with PKA description first time. The tree authentication method, which was introduced 82, for dealing with such hierarchical structures. And then, of course, RSA, the asymmetric encryption and signature standard, which was introduced in 1983. There were a number of other significant crypto patents, for example, patent for the generation of RSA prime numbers. You remember RSA was based on the factorization problem. So for the private key, one needs to know 2 huge prime numbers, and these huge prime numbers are multiplied. And for an attacker, he only can break the encryption system when he is able to defactorize this product. Then the one-time signatures is a very important crypto patent, which was introduced in 1989 by Merkle. The idea cipher, which was introduced in 1993 and provides a symmetric encryption method. DSA signature, which was introduced in 1993. Then modulo arithmetic processing chips. Today it's very popular as elliptic curve cryptography. Here the first patent was done. And then IBE, the identity-based encryption method, which was introduced 2007. If we look to other crypto standards, then there is the American Institution for Standardization, the NIST. So important security standards of NIST is AES, the Advanced Encryption Standard, the successor of DES. It's a symmetric encryption method, which nowadays is a successor of DES, and nowadays is in many fields the symmetric method that's used for encryption. SHA family, so we discussed several hash algorithms from the SHA family. The SAH, the secure hash standard, which defines the use of hash functions, and the DSA standard, which provides algorithms for digital signatures. Then other important security standards which became important in the environment of banks. This is a DS standard, nowadays no more considered secure. Then the PIN management standard, which is described in this ISO 9564 and ANSI standard. The signature standard, how banks, when they interact with each other, recognize signatures. Certificates, how the certificates should like. You see there are different standards for the certificates used in the environment of banks. And this is only the peak of the iceberg of many other crypto products and standards, crypto patents and standards, which are important to survive in our digital world.